Welcome to the channel and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're finally getting the Range Rover Evoque fully finished, so it's ready for its new owner this weekend. So we'll start with when I took the car for its MOT. It's an early one for me this morning. I work permanent nights, so I'm not normally up this early, so it's about 9 o'clock Saturday morning. We're at the normal MOT station I use, Euro Car Care. So it's MOT day for the Evoque. Fingers crossed. So what do we reckon then? Pass or fail? And it's a pass. So as you can see, last year 43,000 miles. This year, obviously, today 45,000. So it's not hardly done any miles. So this is obviously Saturday. I've got the car booked in for wrapping on Tuesday. Then get the tints done and obviously detail it inside and out, and then we'll do a little drive in the car. So as you just seen, the Evoque has now passed its MOT with no advisories, which is great news. So after that I then got the front and rear bumper. So what was silver, that's now been wrapped gloss black. Same with the back bumper. We'll walk around now. So the people that's bought the car from us, that's what they are. So obviously we don't normally offer stuff like this, but in the future, if anyone did want to buy a car from us, for example, window tinting or any wrapping, I can get it done on behalf of yourself. So as you can see, this lower piece just here was originally black. It was this bit just here which was silver, which you'll see in a little clip in a minute when I dropped it off to the sign team. So the wrapping got done at the sign team, and the window tinting got done at a company called Double D. Both are in Peterborough. I did want to do a bit of filming, but unfortunately when I booked them in, they just said, oh, we'll work around their day, so they couldn't really give me a time to when they were going to do the job. So unfortunately I couldn't do what I wanted to do with the filming, but it is one of those things. So I'll just show you now when I dropped it off to the sign team. So now you've seen all that, I'm going to get it on time lapse now, as it's time to get this car cleaned. So I'm going to start off by, just to let you know, by snow foam in the car, then a bit of pre-wash, clean the wheels, the body. I'm going to put some wax on this, and then obviously the interior needs cleaning, which it is perforated leather. I did want to clean this leather, but I think with a cleaning leather, you'd obviously use your leather cleaner, a leather brush, and a damp cloth to get off the residue, etc. But as it's perforated, I might have to do, very carefully, gently, as you don't want all the leather cleaner getting inside those gaps into the foam of the seat. But we'll see when it gets to that. So I'll get it on time lapse now. Right, so as you just seen on time lapse, I was just waxing the bonnet. As I think there's quite a bit of time lapse on this video of obviously cleaning the car. I'm just going to quickly wax the whole car. You get the idea what, you know, obviously I've just done the bonnet, I'll just do the whole car now. So as it's getting dark now, it's just gone 4 PM Wednesday afternoon. We did want to get the video finished today. So obviously what was involved, clean the car, and then we was going to go for a nice drive and then find somewhere nice to do some cinematics. But as it's got dark, we've finished cleaning and waxing the car. And you know, what a transformation. The wax has done its job. Very good. It's gleaming. So I'll just quickly show you now, as we've just finished. And obviously you'll see on, well, it'll be Sunday, but it'll be in like a split second for yourselves on the video. It is spotless. So in the end, I did state that I would be showing you clean the leather, and I was going to be using Angel Wax Heaven for Leather, which is a spray leather cleaner, which you would use a leather brush. But I think I did state at the beginning of the video, I was concerned, if you can see, if it focuses, this is perforated leather. I didn't want to start spraying, and if it went through to the sponge and, you know, if it damaged the seat. So in the end, we just used some leather wipes, just to be on the safe side. So I'm going to leave that here, and you'll see it Sunday morning with us. We'll be out for a drive. So finally, we are out in the Evoque. I just thought I'd do a little drive on camera. It is quite busy around here. Make sure there's no cyclists. So we're just driving through Stamford in Cambridgeshire, well, Lincolnshire actually. The Evoque is driving very nice. It'd be sad to see this one go. Very smooth. So yeah, everything is working. So all the drive selects are working. So if you go to the left, that's dynamic. You'll see all the speedo change red. So I'll just put it back to normal. Oh, normal. But yeah, car is just as good as it can be. We're very happy how it's come out. Obviously you see how it originally was. Drive spot on, nice and straight. Pete did take it for tracking. I'll show you that when we get back home. The paperwork. Yeah, tracked up. I think it was only slightly out. So yeah, it's all being tracked up now. Yeah, let us know in the comments what you think to how, you know, the car once was and how it is now. So the car is going to its new owner this afternoon. We're just getting this video wrapped up. We did start videoing on Wednesday. Today's Sunday, 14th of November. We're just in, like I said earlier on, we're just driving through Stamford. So just before we get on to the cinematics of how the car is now finished, I'm just going to quickly show you again how the car once was on the very first cinematics video of the car. So now you've had a recap on how the Evoque once was, let's get straight to the cinematics of the Evoque finally finished. So this walk around should have been done after we cleaned and waxed the car on Wednesday, but as you know, it did get dark. So we've just finished doing the cinematics and a little drive in the car, so we thought we'll pull up somewhere just to do a walk around on the car. But yeah, another massive thank you to Neil at the sign team for doing the black vinyl wrap on the front and back bumper. Done a very good job. Also, another shout out to Classic Bodyworks in Peterborough for doing an amazing job on the paint. As you can see, the colour match is spot on. If you didn't see the previous video on the Evoque, have a look. You'll see they never painted that rear quarter. So like I said, the colour match is brilliant. It looks as good in person than the video, as all the cars we rebuild, they have to. So a big thank you to Double D for doing the window tints. As it has been raining a bit, so it might be a bit dirty now. But yeah, we went for the more OEM plus look, not too dark. So I think they're just dark smoked, not limo. Let's have a quick look in the boot. Nice and tidy. Same in the back of the car. Obviously here's the passenger side. That was never on the accident. Excuse the gimbal, but you can see what I mean. Nice and clean. Got the pan blind open. So we'll just go to the tracking paperwork. So obviously this is how it was at the beginning, and once they've done their job. So the car's now tracked straight. So obviously passed its MOT, no advisories. Well, I've got some news to tell you as well. So I've received the seat belts for the Skoda Fabia back from the airbag team. So they've been professionally repaired. I've also received in the post a new second-hand steering wheel airbag and the dashboard passenger airbag. So now we're all set ready to make the video on that. So that will be hopefully next week. So yeah, like you know, the Evoque is now fully finished, ready for its new owner today. So let us know in the comments what you think to how, you know, the rebuild, the series. And if you did like today's video, smash that like button. And also if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notification when we post a new video. We're trying our best to be a bit more frequent. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.